What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Kickfix video, and of course it is another unboxing video of a in-shop only orange label Nike SB Dunk Low, the VX1000. Here's the box. It's the ISO box, a brown box with a orange swoosh on there, and the front of the box says Nike SB Dunk Low Pro ISO. In shop only, smoke gray, pure platinum, size 9.5, CV1659001 is the color code if you want to check for yourself. There's the label and the box, and here is the inside of the box, and they are banging. Keep one right here. And also one right here. I'm not really a fan of how they put in shoes nowadays, with one shoe here, then paper, the other shoe here, then paper. I rather like it like this. You can easily take both shoes out, just the way it was. Yes, really conservative, I know. But here they are. As you can, it's a little bit, I'm a little bit, well, I'm not low, the camera's a little bit too high. But you can immediately see there is a extra set of gray laces in there. Funny how sometimes they put them in bags, and sometimes they lace them up with the laces that already are in there. Not sure what the deal's with that, why they do that, but it's okay. Yeah, so let me check if you can see him like that. If it'll just stay there. Alright. Maybe like that, maybe like this, alright. So, if you don't know what a VX1000 is, that's a camera made by Sony. To be honest, I'm not sure what year it came out, but I'm pretty sure it was first made somewhere in the 90s, I think, begin 90s, and it has just got this, I don't know, it's just perfect for skateboarding. A homie of mine is a filmer for pretty much as long as he skates, and I mean most of the time he just uses that camera. It just has that OG feel to it, like all the old skateboard videos were made using that camera, and it's not that super, it's not even HD, but it just gives that authentic feel. I don't know what it is, it's super dope, so it's cool. They've made a VX Dunk. There have been a lot of other VX inspired skateboarding shoes. I believe Circa had one, and yeah, there might be more, I have to look that up. But this is a cool one. Also, the materials are mad butters. Let me check if I can get a focus on the kick. So here is some super soft nubuck. The toe box is that as well, and you can flip it back and forth, as you can see. I could do that all day long. Also, the toe box is also nubuck. The mid panel is nubuck. The swoosh is, and then the back tab, I'm not entirely sure. It feels like some leather with a little texture in there. I might be able to show it. Yes. And then of course you have all the text on there, white balance, shutter speed, program, and all of that. And I am not really sure why the small back tab with the Nike branding is in mint, because I've seen a VX1000 a lot of times, and I've never seen a mint thing on there. Maybe it's on the inside, I'm not sure, I've never taken one apart. But yeah, oh, I can see the gray laces also have the colored tips, red and yellow. That's pretty cool. Also, I think the outsole is really nice. It's a icy outsole, but because of its dark color, it's not super translucent. And of course, with a big ass red recording dot. I think that was the idea. And the insole is gray, and it has a playtime feature in there, which also is cool. I'm not sure if the other side has something different. No, it doesn't. Just has a sticker and the same timing as well. Let me take the sticker out and put it inside the box. If you don't know and you leave the sticker in and you want to wear them, and in a couple of wears you're like, oh, I don't really like the sticker, you take it out. For one, it will not go out easily, and two, it will leave a lot of glue marks that will stick to your socks, and it's not nice. So just always take it out. Do they have the same? Yeah. They all have the same programs and white balance and like that. It's not different per shoe. It's not mismatched in that way. So for the finishing, this side has some wrinkles in there. Let me show you guys. You see that? The other toe box is super smooth, and this one has some wrinkles and dinkles. So I'm not sure how that will turn out on foot, but and also this is from the same pair, the same side that had the wrinkles on the toe box, has a medial panel that's smooth, but then the other panel of the left medial inner panel is like wrinkled. But it's nothing for me to really freak out about. I mean, we all know what's good with Nike. Though I must say Nike SB usually has a better finishing. And for this pair, yeah, there's some glue over here, but that's usually easily to get rid of. So it's not that bad. It could be a lot worse. Yeah, I think this pretty much sums up the whole shoe. I don't really have a lot to tell about it. I think it's just time to throw them on feet and see you guys outside. Let's do it.